How can hoteliers use guest surveys to fast track recovery after the pandemic?
I think two things here. One of those is perhaps the delivery of the survey. Uh, the guest is more accustomed to receiving this sort of communication from the hotel via SMS and WhatsApp. I think the second point would be that the best hotels have always reacted to their feedback. Post-pandemic, those three things are different. There have to be changes in service, changes in operation, changes in product. So using the feedback that you're getting through your survey, by structuring your survey to include questions about certain things that are related to different processes or products that are more focused on contactless technology in the room. I think as long as you're analyzing that with your survey, you stand a better chance to exceed the guest expectations.